Hello everyone, today we're here at the 7th edition of the Medical Research Volunteer Program taking place in our beautiful campus at AUB, Saturday, January 31st at noon. This workshop is all about introducing students to early on research, mentorship, and the mindset behind scientific inquiry. Join us today in watching what happens.
It is my true pleasure to welcome you all to this one-day series of workshops of our Medical Research Volunteer Program, MRVP, for the year 2026.